Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke. Welcome to the Dream Green Show. Don't mind the setup. It'll look a little better later, but I'm doing this to get you guys videos a lot faster so we can get straight to the information. So for that, go ahead, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future information. But look here, guys, I'm about to give you guys 4.5 stocks that you probably need to be buying now before Christmas, before the holiday season get kicking off and started, to set yourself up to make thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars in 2025. These stocks is going to set you up for success, and then I'm going to give you guys my strategy that I use on some of these stocks that's been making me thousands of dollars that you can use to help you gain more shares, to give you a good solid foundation and some good quality stocks. So make sure you stick out the entire video, because the last one, the 0.5 I'm gonna give you, can make you more money than the first 4 I'm gonna give you in this video. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. But like I said, we're getting straight to it. The first one on this list is gonna be ticker symbol AMZN, and that's Amazon. You guys already know what Amazon is. During holiday season, everybody's buying their gift out of Amazon. Ain't nobody really going Black Friday. They Black Friday shopping, but it's on Amazon, and Amazon has been killing the industry in that area for a very long time. So when we look at my profile right now, Amazon is at $226.38, and I'm up $5,140, up 124%. Now I have 40 shares, and I plan on getting a lot more shares leading up to the holiday season, because Amazon is just going to take off. In fact, Amazon has already been taking off. If we look at the trading view chart right here, you guys can see that Amazon is it usually only trends up, right? So for the last this is the 4-hour chart. Every bar on here represents the last 4 hours of the trading day. So this is 4 hours, that bar is 4 hours, that bar is 4 hours, that bar is 4 hours. So the last couple of weeks, the last couple of months, Amazon has been taking off, leading up to holiday season, leading up to Christmas, and it has absolutely been killing it. In fact, if we scroll all the way back, if we just scroll all the way back to 2023, the beginning of 2023, Amazon has just been in a long uptrend. But here's the kicker, guys. If we look at Amazon right now, and we're looking at the RSI, the RSI is extremely overbought, is overvalued right now. And if we look at the prices at $226, and if we put on the Bollinger Bands right here, it is at the very top of the Bollinger Band. So it's kind of dangerous to go in and buy up a large lump sum of shares Amazon. So this is what I want you guys to do, right? On Amazon, I want you to dollar cost average in. It's hard to find Amazon at a good solid value, right? It drops maybe once or twice a year, or once or twice every 2 years. Amazon will have a big drop, and that's where investors like us go in and buy up a lot of shares, because remember, we want to buy low and sell high. But since Amazon has usually only been at highs these last couple of months, it's kind of hard to get in at a good price. So if you dollar cost average in, that take care of everything. You don't have to worry about timing the market. If you just want to buy $10, $20, $25 a week of Amazon, or $25 a day of Amazon, that kind of averages out, because you'll be buying the highs, and then when Amazon finally pull back, you'll also be buying the lows. So it kind of averages out to the median line, and you guys don't have to worry about anything at all. And it kind of takes away some of the stress of being an investor. Am I getting it at a good value? You don't have to worry about if you're getting it at a good value if you're dollar cost averaging every single week, every single day, every single month into a good quality stocks that has been killing it, just like Amazon. So that is the strategy I'm telling you guys. It is the dollar cost average, or DCA, inside of Amazon, so you can get a good value. Now, inside of my Patreon, I did drop a list of companies that Amazon is investing into, and they're investing inside some doggone good companies. In fact, they're investing billions of dollars inside of one company that I dropped inside the Patreon. I gave my Patreon that list. If you guys want that list, usually when good quality companies, big trillion-dollar companies, are investing inside smaller companies, billions of dollars, that company usually tends to take off the following year, especially if they're investing billions of dollars inside of this company. So if they continue to dump money inside this company, we could get that competitive edge, just like Nvidia was investing inside of Sound. And you guys see Sound is taking off, right? SoundHound is taking off through the roof, boom, or that way, boom. SoundHound is taking off through the roof because Nvidia is investing into them. So we're catching the companies that Amazon is investing into. So if you want a peek at that list, that I mean, you could easily look it up yourself, but if you guys want us in the community to do all the work, and I got 3 pro day traders in there that post their day trades every single day, and I post my swing trades, my option trades in there every single day. So if you guys want to be a part of a community of traders or investors, make sure that you check out the Patreon link. That link is going to be down in the description. All right, so now we're going to move over to stock number 2, and that is going to be Walmart. Do I have to say even anything anymore about why we need to put Walmart on this list? Now, Walmart is the shopping giant, ticker symbol WMT. Here we go on Walmart. Right now on this account, I have 72 shares. I'm up $3,000, up 78%. So as you guys see, I put my money on where my mouth talks. If I talk good about a company, I'm investing into them. Walmart right now is at $95.74. So if we come over here, you guys can see, let's type in WMT. Here's Walmart. Once again, Walmart is going to take off. In fact, let's change this from the 4-hour chart to the 1-day chart so we can get even more information. And as you guys can see, even if we go back years upon years, Walmart only goes up, especially after they had that stock split. Walmart literally only goes up. So it is very rare that we will find Walmart at a discounted price. Even though it's overbought right now, if you guys use the strategy of dollar cost averaging in, you don't have to worry about timing the market. Yes, you're going to be overpaying some days. Yes, you're going to be getting it at a steal some days. Or you could wait till it could pull back on a good quality company like Walmart and throw in even more money on a pullback, especially if you believe inside these companies. So the second one on this list is Walmart, the supermarket, the super giant. Everyone is going to go there to buy their toys for a discount. Sometimes you get a better price at Walmart than you can at Amazon, and Walmart is starting to ship out. So if you guys want to take advantage of the holiday season with Walmart, that's going to be a good one to put onto the list. All right, and the third one on this list is Google. Google always does good during the holiday season and at the beginning of the year leading up into 2025 to take off through the rest of 2025. Now, if we come over to the charts again, we're going to type in Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. Now, Google is at a decent price right now. They had all-time highs of around $191.83. Right now, Google is at $174.74. So we could be getting it at a steal. This is one of the items on the this is one of the ticker symbols, one of the companies on the list that you could be getting it at a steal. Even though it is still trending up, it's not. I mean, that was the perfect time to get it. I had timed this out inside the Patreon as well, but I told my Patreon members that was a good time to buy, especially if you learn. This is the 1-day chart. If you learn how to chart out support and resistance lines, you guys can see that was a strong support. This was a strong support. This was a strong support, and then that was a strong support. So if we're catching the strong supports when Google takes off and pull back every single time, and we're playing divergence, you guys can you guys can make a lot of money from Google. So that's the third one on this list is Google. And let's go straight into the fourth one on this list, which is McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD. Now, McDonald's is on this list. They're riding the strong EMA support line right here. It is at $298. They had an all-time high of $317. Once again, if we zoom out on McDonald's, you guys can see, yes, McDonald's does extremely well during holiday seasons. In fact, they do extremely well every single year. This is all the way back in 2020. You guys know what happened in 2020. But ever since, it continues to trend. It only goes up. McDonald's only goes up in their dividend paying company. They have a good solid track record of paying dividends all the way back from 2016. How far back can we go? I mean, Walmart literally goes up. I mean, not Walmart, McDonald's literally goes up all the way from 2009 to 2025. This is one of those lifelong companies that you go in, you buy shares, you dollar cost average, and then you continue to build your portfolio out until you have hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of shares of McDonald's. Now, I told you guys that I was going to give you 4.5. I gave you Google, Walmart, Amazon, and McDonald's. So the 0.5 one is not really a stock, but this could outperform every single stock that you're buying today. I want you guys for the holiday season to buy a little bit of Bitcoin or a little bit of your favorite cryptocurrency. If you got $1,000, throw in $100. That's 10% into a cryptocurrency, into Bitcoin, into any of those kind of currencies right there that you absolutely believe in. And that 10% can outperform the 90% of your portfolio, because Bitcoin could double, it could triple, it could go up even more, especially if you buying a meme coin like Dogecoin that could 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x during this bull run. This bull run is just getting started. Trust me, it's just getting started, and it's going to continue to all the way through 2025. Not all the way through 2025. There's going to be a time to sell in 2025. If you guys want to know when to sell, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that information. But the point 5 is to get you a little bit of cryptocurrency and add that to your portfolio. You could use any platform. You can literally buy cryptocurrency on any platform these days. So make sure that you guys check that out. Now, if you do need a platform, I'm gonna leave a link to Moo down in the description. You can click that, sign up. And right now they're giving you guys free shares just to sign up and use that platform and deposit $100 inside that platform. They'll give you up to 15 free stocks, and you have access to many of their tools to help you become a better trader. You have access to the early market hours, the after market hours, commission free trading. Guys, if you really want to take your game to the next level, Moo, go ahead, get your free stocks. Even if you do have other brokerage account, it does not hurt to get free stocks, guys. Go ahead, deposit, take full advantage of that. But this is what I want you guys to do in the comment section. Go down to the comment section and let me know which one of these 4.5 stocks are you most interested in to add to your portfolio for this holiday run. Is it McDonald's? Is it Amazon? Is it Google? Is it Walmart? Let me know which one down in the comment section. And once, don't mind this. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's my boy right there. Don't mind this. This is going to get upgraded in the future. I'm about to start kicking out these videos to you guys. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future information. But other than that, guys, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show. I'm out. Peace.